Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Tech Tutor Hub. Today, we're diving into a fundamental concept in C# programming. How to prevent a class from being inherited in C#, most important interview question. Sealed classes are used to restrict the users from inheriting the class. A class can be sealed by using the sealed keyword. The keyword tells the compiler that the class is sealed, and therefore, cannot be extended. No class can be derived from a sealed class. The following is the syntax of a sealed class. Example. If tries to inherit a class from a sealed class, then an error will be produced stating that it cannot be derived from a sealed class. Here is the code. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more programming content. Feel free to leave your questions or comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy coding!